Beautiful, beautiful early winter day here at Camp Carowinds. Can't believe it's the 2nd of December. Sitting here, shorts, 76 degrees today. Who needs Florida? Warmed up and aired up. Getting ready to pull out of Camp Carowinds, headed on down to Gaffney, South Carolina to Freightliner for our annual service. Marines doing a final walk around on the outside, and then we'll be on our way. Wonderful day for travel, beautiful sunny weather. Can't believe it's 75 degrees in Charlotte on the 3rd of December. Hi, I'm Warren.
And I'm Maureen.
And this is Bo. The pandemic and some personal health issues caused us to refocus on what's really important.
So with our Airstream Claire Marshall, we embraced a new way of life, full-time RV living. Come along and share our adventures as we travel hither and yon across this great country. We'll find new places, meet new people, and fall in love all over again.
What an absolutely gorgeous travel day. Man, we don't get many days like this in December in North Carolina. It's going to be about 74, 75 degrees today. Shorts and t-shirts weather. I know there won't be very many more days like that for this year until we get south. But we'll take every one of them we can get. Hope we have a good, safe travel day down into South Carolina. Half a mile from where we're supposed to go, and we're stuck. I'm sure that someday this is going to be a lovely, lovely road, but for right now it's an absolute pig trail. If you got to come this way, allow yourself a little extra time, because there's always backups, lane splits, they have some exits closed, so just be aware if you're coming 85 around the Greenville, Spartanburg area, South Carolina. So how was your travel day?
It was amazing. I had fun listening to...
Did you subject him to the mamas and papas again?
You're gonna make me confess that? Really? Yeah, it was.
You gotta come up with something else, honey.
I might have to... I can't believe I might have to buy a CD.
A CD?
A CD.
So, it looks like your day ended pretty decently. You got a nice,
man, you have
got a nice fire going. You got a patio. You got a little stocked pond over there.
Yeah.
Beautiful sunset we just enjoyed. So, it almost makes Gaffney I-85 traffic worth it. Almost.
It was touch and go.
Almost. I swear to God, it's like Death Race 2000 trying to get through there.
It's a pig trail.
Yeah, but anyway, it's a good wrap up for the day.
Good wrap up.
So what's your friend's name?
My friend's name is Jack. He is beautiful.
So you're getting your cat fix.
My cat fix has been waning, so this is perfect. Get filled up again. He's very sweet.
All right, guys, so we're going to introduce a new segment to our videos today. You can call it the Redneck Campground Reviews, or it's just our personal sort of scorecard. We call it a s'more card for how we look at campgrounds. And again, the criteria that we use and what's important to us is probably going to be different from the way other people look at things. The first criteria is the site itself. Is it level? Is it paved or have concrete? You know, how's the staff? Is there enough staff? Are they friendly? This is the problem with live TV.
Yep.
Bo barfing on the carpet.
No, he didn't barf, but he just was
He
hacking.
Yeah, sort of like that dog in Christmas Vacation hacking up under the table.
Okay, onward. He's... All right, enough. Okay.
Snots the dog.
Snots. It was Snots, yes. You have a good memory.
Okay, so now that we've laid out, you know, our criteria for campgrounds, let's talk about the campground we are now, which is the KOA Holiday Spartanburg Northeast in Gaffney, South Carolina.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yep. Lovely Gaffney.
Lovely Gaffney. So
Lovely.
why don't you take it away about the site? That's our first.
We're going to
criteria.
start with site. We are on site 208. It is a premium site, and it has a table and 4 chairs, a patio, as well as a fire pit, which is wonderful. We used it with our solo stove already, and it was just lovely. It faces a beautiful pond in woods. We are, today, and it's been since Friday, so we've got 4 or 5 days without but one neighbor, but that's the one that...
So what's your grade?
So I'm going to give it an A.
2 thumbs up, A
The site.
on the site.
Yep.
Okay, next criteria is the staff.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
Okay, there's two aspects of the staff rating for me anyway. Number one is the staff themselves. Are they pleasant to deal with? Are they personable? And here, absolutely they are. Mm-hmm. They're very, very nice people to deal with. The second criteria is the staffing level. And again, comparing this to an Ocean Lakes or a Disney campground, I'd give it a B. Okay. Not for the staff themselves, but just like general staffing level.
Right.
There's not as many folks here. Okay, the next thing we look at in a campground is the dog park. What do you think about the dog park here?
I think I give it an A. To me, the criteria is it needs to have water. It needs to have the poop bag station, which this one does, and it's kept full. Never have been to this one that's been out. They have their trash cans are clean. The yard is really nicely kept, so it is an A for me.
Yep, I'd agree. A on the dog park. The next one is the general area itself. And let's just be honest, if we weren't here for Freightliner, we probably wouldn't be in Gaffney.
Probably not.
So again,
it's
nice, lovely.
I mean,
nice people, nice area, you know. But I grew up in a paper mill town, right? Nobody comes to my hometown on vacation.
That's a good way of putting it.
It's just not done.
Yeah.
And this is kind of the same thing here. We're here for a very specific reason, and it serves its purpose for that. But it's not a lot of attractions and things to do around here. So,
but it's all right. Again, it suits our need, and it has.
So it's not a horrible place,
no.
but it's not a great place. We give it a C, right in the middle.
Okay. Next is cleanliness. Is it kept clean? Do their staff, like I said, is it free of debris? Do you have paved roads? I mean, that to me is nice. And part of what I think clean is it's not full of a lot of dirt roads. And again, their entrance is really festive. But
the upper section is dirt roads.
Right.
And then when I'm talking about clean, I'm comparing this level of clean to a Disney or an Ocean Lakes or someplace like that, a Cherry Hill. And so for that reason, I would give it a B on cleanliness.
Yep.
Not terrible, but it ain't like world class either.
Right. Okay. Next is internet.
Mhm.
Is there good internet connection? Is there enough Wi-Fi strength? And I give it a B for sure.
Yeah.
We had a little bit of issue.
A little bit of issue, but nothing crazy.
Yeah.
The next one is value, and by value we don't just mean price, but do you really get what you're paying for? What do you think about the value?
Well, to me, I think overall for this site, and it's not crowded right now, so to me, I feel like we've got a great value as far as where we're at, what we see, from our camper, but also I think getting in and out, and it's really, I think in my case it's going to be a B.
Yeah.
So
a B. You basically get what you pay for. Yeah. Noise.
There's just a little bit of noise here.
There's a caveat there. It depends on what part of the campground you're in. If
That's
you're in the old section
Yeah.
up next to I-85, there's a lot of noise.
Yeah.
But
right.
down here on the bottom section in
It's
the new section where we are,
Yeah.
it's very quiet. So that's why we kind of gave it a B, because it depends where you are in the campground, and there's quite a lot of variation from one section
because
to the other.
we were here in October, sorry, and we were in the upper section, and it was a bit noisier, so you could hear the road noise. But of course, it's just, like I said, it's not an A, but it's a B.
So our overall is
A B.
a B.
Yeah.
Spartanburg KOA Gaffney gets a B.
All right.
So if you got to come here for Freightliner service, you'll be fine. Don't plan to come up here for vacation. This is not,
Unless you're, like I said, there's really not a whole lot going on, but that's okay.
Yeah.
There's, again, a place that you can come and feel like...
If you really want to go to the outlet malls and Cracker Barrel, this is probably the place.
Wonderful.
Otherwise, there's other places you can go on vacation.
Definitely.
All right. That's our criteria. It gets a B.